this tutorial we'll have a look at how to record expenses. So we've made this really easy by locating the link to the expenses at the bottom of the home screen. So you just click on that. This shows me a list of the expenses that I've already entered. So to add a new expense, all I've got to do is click on the Add button. I can alter the date. I can select the expense type, so maybe it was accommodation. I enter in the cost of it, maybe it's £120. Enter in some notes, so it was a travel in Birmingham, and then you've got the option to upload a receipt. So if you click on this button, you can actually take a photograph of the receipt, and Rhino will store that electronically, which means that you don't have to maintain lots of paper. So then all we do is click on Save. If you haven't attached a receipt, Rhino will prompt you. And that's it. If we click on the back button, we can now see the expense entry. There's another type of expense that you can enter, so we just click on Add, and it's called a per unit expense. And all of these, by the way, are definable. You can define your own list of expense types, and that's done in the System Settings menu. But if in this particular example I'm going to select mileage at 45 pence per mile, and instead of entering in the amount, I enter in the number of miles. So let's say it was 137, nice awkward number, and it automatically calculates the amount for me, and then I could just enter the details of the journey. So this was Birmingham Airport return, and once again I just click on Save, and that's it. So I just click on the back button and I can see all my expenses building up. The whole idea of capturing expenses on your phone is designed to avoid collating lots of bits of paper and then having that dreaded exercise where you have to try and total them all up. Using Rhino, you just record the expense as and when. Use the camera to take a photograph of the expense receipt, and then you don't need to save all of those bits of paper. It's stored electronically and your accountant will be able to access them. So you can enter in an expense in 20, 30 seconds. Look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial.